Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick video to show you how I jack up my 2013 Subaru BRZ. The very first thing I do is I get my floor jack and two jack stands out. And what I'm gonna do, we can see, there's this cross member right here. I'm gonna put the jack on that and then jack it up and then put two jack stands on those two jack points there. So I'll have 3 points of places where the car is supported. So let's do that now. Okay, now one thing I forgot to mention is I also use a chock block under one of the back wheels right here to keep the car from rolling back, and also make sure that the parking brake is set. Okay, so now that that's jacked up, let's grab one of our jack stands. We're going to set the jack stand right here in between these two divots. Currently it's not quite high enough, so we need to jack it up a little bit more. So let's do that. Okay, and then like I said, just going to slide that and set it right between those two lines, just like that. And what I like to do is I lift it and make sure it's exactly where I want it to be, so that when I lower, because what I'm going to do is now once I've got that on jack stands and I get the jack stand on the other side, then I'll lower the main jack there just enough to where this rests right on that point. Okay, let's get the other jack stand in. All right, so right in the middle. We will lower it so that it just barely rests right on top of there. So that one's on there. It's not moving. Again, we keep this jack point attached here. We have this point here as well. So we have 3 points, and I always just give it a kind of a bump with my hip, and it is nice and secure. So that is how you jack up a 2013 Subaru BRZ.